Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning we're talking about the fuel drain capture that goes in your wing, and this is for the four-place airplanes. This is the flush mount drain that drains the bottom of your tank. It's not a very specialized fastener, but they're getting hard to come by, and let's talk a little bit more about them. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, in the flush mount drains, this is what they look like when you buy them from Aircraft Spruce. They're safe air, they're flush mount, and they're the SA53Ss. There's an O-ring that you can replace in them periodically, but it's a nice flush drain that we have in our fuel tanks, and it keeps any water from accumulating. Now, in the fuel sump areas of the four-place and in the two-place, we have one of these Safe Air CAV110Hs. Now, it's a long shaft, easy to sump fuel out of your airplane again, and there are some confusing issues with this. I mean, it's not the only one that looks like this, and a lot of people come and buy one of these, which is the Safe Air CAV170H-4, which will not fit our airplanes. It'll screw in there, but it won't be the right part for it. So, ladies and gentlemen, what you want to get is you want to get that Nylock fuel capture that we talked about, and here's where it's available from. It's available from Lazar, and it's part number F391-53SMP. By the way, they're $192.37 each. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.